Created in 1767 and named for a Prime Minister of Great Britain, William Pitt, Pittsylvania County is part of Virginia's vast Southside region. The county is home to some of the state's most fertile soil and has a rich tradition of cattle, dairy, and tobacco farming. And some growers are now taking advantage of an emerging industrial hemp industry.
We still are one of the large tobacco producers, 5,000 to 6,000 acres of tobacco land here a year. We're one of the largest cattle producers in the state. We also have a wide variety of produce being produced here in the county, and we're very proud of the amount of acreage that we have actually in production.
The Old Dominion Agricultural Complex is a facility designed to help all farmers in Pittsylvania County, as well as the greater Southside Virginia agricultural community. It sits on 160 acres of land and is run by the Old Dominion Agricultural Foundation, a nonprofit aimed at improving the farm economy, particularly for smaller farmers.
It's been a real mission of the development of the foundation to try to get as many small farmers a value added to their products as possible.
Tobacco has played an important role in the county from the very beginning, and it's still a major part of the county's agricultural profile. But tobacco farmers like Robert Mills have had to change with the times.
We have poultry, a confined poultry operation. We have cow-calf. We raise 4 different types of tobacco. We have small grains, and now we're adding industrial hemp. For a farmer to be successful today, the old cliche, you don't want to have all your eggs in one basket. Now of having your farm operation being diverse, not only in your crops that you grow, but also in the livestock.
Some, like Mills, have started growing industrial hemp as a way to supplement their bottom line.
Having the opportunity to grow industrial hemp has given us a little excitement, and the fact that it's a new crop that we knew very little about, but it has the promise of being a very profitable crop. So our hemp production is something that we're really keeping a close eye on this year as being part of our farm portfolio.
Pittsylvania County has 1,157 farms spread out over 246,322 acres, about 1/3 of the entire county. The market value of all agricultural products sold was $72.7 million. The top crop raised in Pittsylvania County is clearly tobacco, commanding 2/3 of all crop sales at $20.4 million. Hay, nursery, greenhouse, floriculture, and sod are also important crops. Pittsylvania County's livestock sector is even more valuable, with total income of $42.8 million. Dairy sales come to $22.7 million. $16.8 million worth of cattle and calves are sold each year. Poultry and eggs total $2.5 million.
Agriculture and forestry is the largest industry in Pittsylvania County and plays a pivotal role in not just the agricultural economy, but in the general economy. When you look at the impact that those producers have on the businesses around them, everything from fuel to fertilizer to supply distributors within the area. So agriculture is a mainstay of Pittsylvania County's economy, as it has been for a very long time, and it will continue to be in the future.
Dairy farmers like Tommy Motley are key to Pittsylvania County's future as an agricultural powerhouse in Virginia. Where dairy farmers are challenged in many other parts of the state, they are expanding production here.
Here in the county, the dairy industry employs, the 5 dairies employ over 100 people as employees. Plus, and when you start talking about the economic factor, for every dollar we spend, it exchange or take in, there's $7 that returns back to the community.
Raising beef cattle is also a big industry in Pittsylvania County.
It's an all-out agriculture county pretty much, and that's what I do. That's what I've always done.
But cattle producer George Wynn knows what's worked in the past is not guaranteed going forward, and those who survive will need to adapt to new technologies and new business models.
There's going to be a lot of, there's going to be a lot of changes. There's operations in the county that are transferring into going to solar farms. That's going to make a change for a lot of those families, and I see it continuing to go to larger operations.
Despite all of this economic success, the current generation of Pittsylvania County farmers is worried that not enough young people view a career in agriculture as their top choice. Bartz believes the next generation may warm up to farming once they understand what it takes to be a farmer and what you get back.
There are very few other occupations in the world that can give you the variety that farmers experience on any given day. The skill set that's required to be a farmer is vast and expanding every day. And so you have the opportunity to have a diverse set of experiences. You have the opportunity to learn and hone a diverse set of skills and to genuinely take pride in what you do and what you as an individual in your operation can accomplish.
Agriculture is deeply rooted in the economy and culture of Pittsylvania County, and the farmers here are working hard to pass that success on to their children. In Pittsylvania County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.